Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to enable the plugin editor in WordPress. This editor can be handy for making quick adjustments to your plugins, but it's often disabled for security reasons. Let's get started. First, you'll need to connect to your website using FTP. You can use any FTP client like FileZilla. Simply enter your login credentials and connect to the directory where your WordPress website is installed. Once you're connected, locate the wp-config.php file. This is one of the most important files in your WordPress setup, so be cautious while editing it. Now search for this line of code. By default, this might be set to true, which disables the plugin editor. To enable the plugin editor, all you have to do is change true to false. It should look like this. After you've made that change, save the file and upload it back to your server. Now, if you head back to your WordPress dashboard, you should see the plugin editor enabled. Before you go, let's talk about the risks involved. While the plugin editor can be useful, it also poses a security threat. If someone gains access to your WordPress admin, they could edit your plugins and insert malicious code. To keep your site secure, consider limiting access to trusted users only and using strong passwords. It's also a good idea to disable the plugin editor again once you're done making changes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the plugin editor in WordPress. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your WordPress site. See you in the next video.